Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 16. Parthenocarpy and apomixes have been observed in some plants. Give an example of each. State a similarity and difference observed between the two processes. क्या differences हैं parthenocarpy और apomixes में? With example हमें बताना है and similarity भी बतानी है. Parthenocarpy में fruit form होता है without fertilization, whereas in case of apomixes, seeds are formed without fertilization. Seedless fruits produce होते हैं in case of parthenocarpy, and fruits with seeds are produced in case of apomixes. Examples are banana and grapes of parthenocarpy, and examples of apomixes are asteraceae and grass. Similarity क्या है? दोनों की डेवलपमेंट टेक्स प्लेस विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. दोनों में फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होती. दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16.